Okay guys, this is my new liner from Lazy Days Pool. I absolutely love this color. Oh my gosh, it just makes everything look so good. Before, I just had a really old liner and it was time for a new one, and I called Lazy Days Pool and made my appointment, and they came out and drained the pool, and then the next day they put the liner in and they work so quickly and efficiently, and this thing looks flawless. It's so amazing. It just looks absolutely great. There's no wrinkles or anything. They just did like the best job ever. Now I'm just ready for summer so I can jump in here because this looks just so appealing. But if you're in the Atlanta area, definitely check out Lazy Days Pool. And they are just so easy to work with, and I highly recommend them.